we provide features for measuring distances, coordinates of points, angles, and things like that in mountain SPIP. Let's pull this particular data. To do so, you will use the manual measurement, and we will see how these can be done on a surface and on a profile as well. So let's start with a surface. F11 for full screen mode. I will delete this one. Okay. So there's a couple of options here available. For instance, you may want to know the coordinate of a single point, like this. So you have the X, Y, and Z. Of course, this is the height channel. If you display another channel, the X and Y will not change, but the Z will change. The phase and the amplitude. You can also display the localization of the highest point on the topography and the lowest point on the topography, like that. And again, if you change the channel, this point will change. Its location will change. We provide also the ability to measure distances. You may want to measure the distance between this point and this point. Here is the horizontal distance, but if you want to display the height difference between those 2 points, you double click. Then you see all of the other parameters that can be calculated and displayed. For instance, the Z distance. Finally, you can measure the area of a circle like that. And you have the projected area, the perimeter, and also the height average. This study is also available for profile, but first we need to extract the profile using the quick extraction tool. Okay, let's maybe fine-tune and place it here. Here's the profile, studies, distance measurement, and it works, of course, it works slightly differently. On profile, it works with a set of cursors, like this one and this one. You can have between 1 and 5 sets of cursors. So you can change the localization of these, like that, and like this. And you will see here parameters being calculated, horizontal distance and height distance. And again, if you want to display more parameters or less, you can just do it by double clicking on the table.